When people see floodwater, they see rain. But what you're about to watch is much bigger than that. Behind every flooded street is a family that has lost peace, a business that has lost its income, and a city asking the same question every rainy season. Why does this keep happening? Please watch this video. Lagos has once again experienced severe flooding after heavy rainfall. Weather agencies had warned that 2026 will bring about above normal rainfall and an elevated risk of flash flooding, especially coastal areas like Lagos State. They also pointed to blocked drainage systems, rapid urban development, and the city low-lying coastal geography as factors that will worsen the impact. The results of these are flash flooding, blocked drainages,
flooded waters from your areas, from your street, right, to the canal. But look at this. Look at how clogged this place is with dirt, different kinds of dirt. And just look at how over 20 men, over 20, I tried counting at one point. They are trying to push.
difficulty for people to move from one spot to another. And houses, place of work, major road, everywhere is flooded. Kindly see these videos.
Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God.
It is a sorry situation because this is 2026. Why does this keep happening? We may ask ourselves. But the truth is that it is more than just rain. Lagos is a low-lying coastal city, so it is naturally prone to flooding. But the problem gets worse because many drainage channels are blocked by waste. Watch this video. Rapid development has reduced open land where water can drain. Take for instance Ikoyi, that was sandfield. Watch a prominent Nigerian talk about this.
The whole of Ikoyi was sandfield, all the way to join up with Falomo. The Lekki villages were there, but it was
swampy
sandfield. To connect back to Ikoyi, it was all water. And so the lagoon now, my fear, that the lagoon has been sandfield to a senseless level that if you watch from the back,
yes,
and if you get to the IBB bridge, the level of the water, the lagoon, compared to the road, the lagoon is now higher than the road. When it rains, the lagoon is this. The water was supposed to enter into the lagoon. You have narrowed it by some feeling greedily, all of them thinking they are building as the waterfront without thinking of the environmental impact. The lagoon is this high, the road is at this level. So when it rains, you expect, without a pump, you expect that water to go into that lagoon. You must be kidding. That's why the whole place is flooded. The roads are flooded. Go through to that Obalende Canal during rainy season. It sweeps people away.
And some buildings have been constructed on wetlands that once absorbed water. Let's not forget that rain starts the water, but poor drainage, poor planning, and human activities makes it much worse. So the next question is, what must change? First, our government must invest in working drainage systems. They must maintain existing ones, and they must enforce building regulations, especially in flood-prone areas. Secondly, you and I, we have responsibility to also play, because dumping waste into gutter and drainage channel may seem like a very small act, but it has serious consequences when the rain comes. Finally, we need long-term planning. As Lagos continues to grow, development must go hand in hand with environmental protection and climate resilience. As I wrap this up, let us all remember that behind every flooded street is a family, a business, and a dream disrupted. Flooding in Lagos is not just a seasonal inconvenience. It is now a challenge that affects all of us. But change is possible when government, communities, individuals all play their parts. I would love to hear from you. Have you been affected by this flooding in Lagos or anywhere else in Nigeria? What do you think needs to change? Share your thoughts and let's keep this conversation going. If you have found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to see this. Until next time, this is Tolu Talks Live, where we talk about life, the issues that shapes it, and how you and I can navigate them together.